We are going to set up a dedicated user for deployment on the production server. This is a very good practice because it is possible that any user in your organization gets fired or have their user account deactivated, and that can result in a lot of troubles if their account is used for deployment. A dedicated deploy user will not be a real human, so they cannot be fired. Start the app server or any server you want to use as the production server. I am using the app server, so I will log into it as user John using party. To be able to add a user, you need to operate as the root user. So switch to root user with this command, sudo su, and press the enter key. To create a user, run this command, add user written together, followed by the username for the user that you want to create, deployment-user for me. Press the enter key to run. Type the password for the user. Repeat the password. For the name, I will type deployment user, but you can just press enter for default. You can enter values for the rest of the fields or just press the enter key all through. I will press the enter key for the rest of the fields. Type Y and press enter. The user is created. Now I will add the user to group sudo so they can run sudo commands. Run this command to do that. User mode -ag sudo the username of the user, which for me is deployment-user. Press the enter key to run. Next, let's confirm everything is done correctly. Type exit and press enter to exit the root console. I will switch to the user that I just created with this command, sudo su deployment-user. I am now acting as the deployment user. I will run pwd to check my current directory. I am still at John's home directory. To change directory to the home directory of the user that I am currently operating as, I will type cd and press enter. pwd again, and I am now at the deployment user's home directory. I will run sudo apt update just to make sure the deployment user can run sudo commands. 38 packages can be upgraded. I will upgrade them, but first clear my screen. Sudo apt upgrade. Type Y and press enter. And that is it about setting up a dedicated user for deployment on the production server. Let's continue in the next episode.